and welcome back to my channel, Jar Cakes. I hope you guys are doing well because I'm doing fantastic. But today's video, I will be doing the king crab hot Cheetos and cheese mukbang. So before we jump into this video, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Press that bell so you don't miss any videos. Give this video a fat thumbs up and comment down below. But let's go ahead and jump into this video. So here are the crabs. So I have a few. I don't know how many I have, but they definitely are king crab, and I'm so excited. It's my first time ever trying king crab legs, so y'all just don't know. I got the cheese, and it is hot. I heated it up. This is Mexican cheese though. I don't know what type of cheese they usually use, but this is the type of cheese that I have access to, so I'm going to use it. And the king crab, I got these fresh from Harris Teeter. I got 4 crab legs. And I also have this little teeny tiny one. It's literally has no Cheetos on it. I just want to see what it tastes like by itself without any Cheetos. But it is seasoned. I season all of my stuff. It's seasoned egg yolk. So hopefully it's still good, even though I did it in egg yolk. But we're gonna see. They smell good though. They smell like a seafood boil. And what I did was I crushed the hot Cheetos in a NutriBullet, and I crushed a whole bag. It wasn't a family size, but it was big enough to do all of these. And then I dipped them in egg. I make sure that I season my egg very heavily, and I just dipped it in the egg first, and then I dipped it in the Cheetos, and then I fried them in the air fryer for 15 or 14 minutes. So it came out pretty good. Some of them are actually kind of hard, like crunchy like, so I'm very excited for that. So I'm gonna get this skinny one, and I'm gonna try it without the cheese first just to see what it tastes like. This is actually better than I thought. This is good. It kind of tastes like chicken though. I don't know, but like it tastes really good. And it's spicy. Okay. The girl know how to cook though. That's really good. I'm gonna dip it in this cheese. Let's see how it tastes. That's good. That's good. But it does taste good by itself. I see why everybody tried it. It's good. But I swear it tastes just like chicken. I swear it tastes just like chicken. These are good. And I can't wait to eat. I only ate once today, and I ate a burger. Then when I got home from work, I drank a smoothie. It was filled with fruit, but it was good and it quenched my thirst a little bit, but I needed some real food. Now I wouldn't consider this real food, but I mean, it's food. But yeah, I got these from Harris Teeter, and I paid over $100 for them. $131 and some change to be exact. I really wasn't expecting to pay all that, but I really wanted king crab because I'm tired of the little snow crabs. Y'all small and stuff. I don't got time. But these are so big, and like they're they hurt. So it's really like, I don't know if anybody has, they probably have, I'm pretty sure they have, can crack them open with their bare hands. Me, I had to use scissors because I hurt myself trying to do one of them, and the little spikes on the shell cut me. It didn't cut me like all the way, like it was already cut there, but it made the cut bleed. So I had to use scissors. Scissors was actually pretty easy, but when I tried to pull them apart, that's how I made myself bleed. So it wasn't as easy as I thought it would be. Once I actually got my hands on them, I was like, yeah, this is gonna be kind of tough. Okay, now the bigger one tastes like crab. This is one of the bigger pieces, like the middle part. And I taste the crab. It's very meaty though. Very meaty. Let's try this little one. Let's see what this little one tastes like. Probably not much. Tastes like a regular crab leg to me. Nothing special. I was also thinking about trying it with ranch, but I changed my mind. I honestly think I'm really not that hungry though. I think I'm more thirsty than anything because when I'm hot, I feel like I need water, juice, whatever I can get. So I know I'm not gonna finish these, but I might eat them like tomorrow or something. But I think I did good though. Figured I would do something different for y'all and try something different because I really don't do a lot of eating videos anymore. I used to. I don't know what happened. I guess I just didn't want to make videos and eat lame stuff. Some people will buy one little meal from Taco Bell and sit down and eat in front of the camera and talk, do the same thing next day. Like, and I'm not a comedian, so I don't want to bore y'all. I'm really just a regular talking person, so I want to have at least one big interesting thing in my video. And even though people started eating these years ago, it's still a trend, I feel like. So after I finish this one, I think I'm going to end the video. I just wanted to try these for y'all, but it took me like an hour to make them, so the longest part was really taking all of them out of the shell. Everything else was pretty easy. It basically took, is that a piece of hair? Looks like it. It basically took like 30 minutes or so for them to cook in the air fryer, so I know it's another video that I got coming out though. Not going to expose it and tell y'all what it is. Y'all just going to see. But I think it'll be a cool, interesting video. Something different. Something I've never done. Like, it's in a category of something I've done, but it's not the exact same. Definitely something different. But, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I hope you guys tried this little recipe. If you haven't, besides what I said, it is a pretty quick and simple, easy, basic, whatever recipe. And it's good to me. I mean, not something I would eat all the time, but this was something to eat once in a while, just to try, you know. Worth it. Worth the money. And I will spend the money again. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and watch my last video. If you missed it, I will leave the link down below. Comment, like, share this video, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.